Palma Resort, Hurghada. Welcome to sunny Hurghada, Egypt. Today we're taking you on a relaxing walking tour through Palma Resort. Whether you're planning a short vacation or looking for a place to stay long-term, Palma Resort offers a peaceful atmosphere, swimming pools, and stunning views of the Red Sea. Location. Now let's talk about the location of the resort. To understand it better, let's take a look at the map. Palma Resort sits in the Ahyaa district, a quiet, developing area with Red Sea access. The resort is situated approximately 25 kilometers, about 15.5 miles, from Hurghada International Airport. It's also conveniently located just 10 kilometers south of Gouna, one of Egypt's most renowned and popular resort towns. Now let's take a more detailed look at the complex itself and its accommodation options. Types of accommodation. Palma Resort is not a typical hotel. It's a large residential complex that offers different types of accommodation. Some buildings function as a hotel, with standard rooms available for short stays. But most of the units here are private apartments, and many of them are available for rent or for sale. Some units offer beautiful views of the sea or swimming pools, and many have balconies or terraces. This makes Palma Resort a popular choice not only for tourists, but also for long-term residents and digital nomads. Walking tour. And now, let's take a walk around the resort. We'll start from the main reception area. Here, guests and residents check in, ask for assistance, or simply relax in the lobby. The reception is open 24/7 and provides basic services for both tourists and apartment owners. It's the central hub for any inquiries or needs you might have during your stay. From here, we'll head outside and explore the rest of the complex. Now we're stepping outside to explore the resort. This is the main view of the central area. The space feels open and peaceful, with lots of palm trees all around. The complex is full of palm trees and lush greenery. Well-maintained paths lead through the gardens. There are many cozy corners with benches and shade. The landscaping adds a tropical and peaceful atmosphere. From here, you can see one of the large swimming pools. The pool area is beautifully designed, with bridges and shaded spots. The wooden bridge adds a nice touch to the landscape. It's a great place to take photos or just enjoy the view. The pool is surrounded by palm trees and flowering plants. It's a perfect place to relax and enjoy the sun. Outdoor showers are available near the pool. There's also a small pool bar nearby. It's a convenient spot to grab a cold drink or a quick snack. Now we're walking by another pool in the resort. This area is quieter and feels more private. The water is crystal clear and well-maintained. It's a nice place to relax away from the busier spots. This one has a water slide for kids. Here's another view of the same pool. Some apartments have direct access to the pool area. We continue our walk through the resort. Now we're heading toward the beach. The path is surrounded by colorful flowers. It's a peaceful and quiet walk. Near the beach, there is a nice cafe. It's called Medusa. The cafe has a cozy outdoor area. It's a great spot for drinks or snacks. A beautiful alley leads us further. There are flowers and green plants all around. The walkway is clean and easy to follow. It's a lovely place for a morning or evening stroll. Nearby, there are private villas. Some of them have their own pools and gardens. Strolling down this meticulously maintained alley feels like wandering through a hidden botanical garden. The vibrant tropical flora and stately palm trees are a feast for the eyes, transforming a simple walk into a truly delightful experience. It's evident that every plant receives devoted attention, creating an inviting pathway that encourages leisurely exploration. We're getting very close to the beach now. You can already see the sea right in front of us. Near the beach, there's a small playground, perfect for kids to have fun. And now, we step out onto the beautiful beach within the Palma Resort complex. There are comfortable places to relax right on the sand. You can enjoy the sound of the waves while lying in the shade. We can take a leisurely stroll along the stunning shoreline, feeling the soft sand beneath your feet and soaking in the serene atmosphere. The sea is truly beautiful and peaceful. For your comfort, the beach is equipped with numerous sunbeds and umbrellas, offering the perfect spot to unwind and enjoy the sun. Here you'll find a kitesurfing school right on the beach. This is the entrance to the Kitesurfing School. You can see information and a map about the kite zone. Comfortable seating areas are set up around the school, perfect for watching the athletes and preparing for lessons. It's a great spot for both participants and spectators to relax and enjoy the activity. You'll often find people socializing here, sharing tips, or just enjoying the lively atmosphere. Some visitors are just starting their kitesurfing journey, learning the ropes from scratch with expert instructors, while others are already professional riders, gracefully gliding across the water, showcasing their impressive skills. Outcomes. This hotel complex offers beautiful green areas, a clean beach, and a peaceful atmosphere. The territory is well maintained, with lots of flowers and palm trees. One of the main advantages is the large beach area with plenty of space and sunbeds. The sea at Palma Resort is very shallow, which is great for kite surfing. But if you want to swim in deep water, you'll need to walk quite far. The complex itself is very quiet and calm, so it's not suitable for those who enjoy loud parties or fun events. Palma Resort is perfect for couples, families with kids, and anyone who wants to enjoy the sea in a calm, relaxing environment. Thank you for joining us on this journey to explore Palma Resort in Hurghada. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our future travel tips and destination guides. Until next time, happy travels and enjoy every moment of your journey. See you in the next video.